Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will explain how you can use a bonus voucher in BingX. If you have received a bonus voucher, I'll show you how to use it step by step. First, I have already opened the application. After that, you need to click on your profile. Once you go into your profile, you will find the Vouchers option. Here, you can see your bonus vouchers. In my case, it is showing used and expired because I was not able to use it properly before. Now I will go back to the Reward Hub. Then I click on Total Deposit USD Completed. After making a deposit, you may receive a voucher. But in my case, it is showing no available vouchers because mine has already expired. Basically, this voucher can be used for trading. For example, I received a $20 bonus voucher, which means I could use $20 in trading without using my own money. To use it, you simply clip on the voucher, and the system will automatically detect it when you place a trade. Then you can use that $20 or whatever amount of bonus voucher you have in your trades. It will be applied automatically. So, that's how you can use a BingX bonus voucher. See you in the next video.